Hi, I'm making this video in regards to the incident that recently took place on the 7th of January 2025 in Konsakhul Lungwiram, which is also known as K Lungwiram. Nasi aina video namjabase lahat that 7 numita thokiba thoto agar Konsakhul Lungwiram da anti amani Yum Saba haina sem sari naisida lailon khunau khunjam yamna laaga Yum Saba Yaroi haina moibu thingba moibu disturb tauba anti mo harass tauba adagi matangda clarification pige haina ai video semjabani. Aina thajade mi miyamna video du uramgani tasu taramgani aduda moina kamaina builder sing bu approach tawkhibra kamaina anti bu treat tawkhibra habdu. The video itself explains and is the evidence on how they approach the woman and the builders on the spot. Let me reiterate this for you. We will burn the JCB down, stop recording, we will kill you, and other curse words. Recently, I saw a video that was circulating online by a lady from Lailon Kunao village. I would like to say that all the allegations that she made were baseless, and also all that she blabbered about was her opinion. Now, I would like to state the facts. I know how it all started and the ground reality on this issue. Before COVID-19 came, we had already started leveling the ground on this area. COVID-19 lakne mamangay sidagi ako'y ground level sila ito. And due to the COVID, we had to take a break and stop the process for a while. So we did that. Right after the COVID, we started with the process again. However, it was disturbed due to the conflict that has been going on in Manipur, and that happened. And so, now finally we plan to finish the work. We did start with the work, but we were stopped by Lailon Kunao villages. Moy nalaga Yum Saba Yaroi haina disturb taweba. We asked them why, and they said that there is a bunker just below that land. Makha da Bunker Lei aduna Yum Saba Yaroi kukritaw ni rito yung law ni riwo dubo Yum Saba Yaroi haina moina hyba. But it doesn't make sense, right? It is our land and we have the every right to do whatever we want in our land. Okay, aywa mahage. Nangbu ni ama nalaaga or stranger ama nalaaga nang lamda Yum Saba Yaroi kukritaw farm tawo adubo Yum Saba Yaroi haina nang mo hyra adi nang yagera. It doesn't make sense, right? Ay gilamdi, ay gihagni, ay natawning batawgani, ay nagyum sagira, ukri tawgira, farm tawgira, ay natawning batawgani. Natra? In the video, the lady also mentioned that the land belongs to Lailon Kunau, which is absurd because that land belongs to Konsakhul, and that too has been acknowledged by the kuki leaders. So I think you need to first go do your homework before you false claim anything. Yes, I totally agree that Auntie is currently living in Imphal, but that should not be a reason as to why she is not a resident of Lungwiram. As we all know, Imphal is the capital of the state, and we all go there for some reasons. Maybe for work, business, for education, healthcare, and other purposes. She is a resident of Lungwiram, and who are you to say she is not? And my question to you is, do you know every single citizen living in Konsakhul and Lungwiram? If yes, think again, because you failed to recognize a woman of the same place. And lastly, but not the least, I would like to say that we have all the relevant documents that is pertaining to this case, and we would be more than happy to present it to you immediately. And my humble request to you is, and to all of you is, please do not play with the Christianity cards. We should learn to tell the truth first. As we all know, action speaks louder than words.